So today we have a very special episode of Epic Fishing. This is our episode number 3. Today we have Trevor with us. And Trevor, why is today special?
I don't know if you want to call it special, but today is my birthday. But hopefully we'll make it extra special with splunkers today. A little breezy, should be dying down. It's more overcast, sun trying to peek through. Should have good conditions. Hopefully we'll catch some slops.
Let's do it.
All right. What's that, Chris?
First fish of the day.
Well, if you don't count my little one.
Yeah, that's true.
There he goes. Nicely hooked in the lip.
It's a pickerel. I'll stay so I don't lose my lure. What do you think it is, Trev?
Oh, it's playing it like a pickerel.
Feels like a big one.
Pickerel?
I think so.
Oh! Pickerel, how did I know?
That's a big one.
Another nice pickerel.
Look at the size of this.
If you want to call it nice.
Holy crap.
Oh.
Gotta get my hands out of its mouth.
What are you going to do with him? Ooh, he got you. Good pickerel. Good boy.
Fuck. It's in its mouth.
That's usually where they get hooked.
Yeah, but it's in like... Worse.
Swallow it?
No. Got it. Can't tell. Oof.
It's a big bass.
Oof. It's pulsing. Oh, it's windy. Now that is a first.
Side hooked. Snagged him.
I have never, ever foul hooked a pickerel.
Snagged him. Wow. Fish on. Two 2.5 pounder. Not bad.
Nice. Where's the scale? Let's see.
2 point.
Can you put it in my face?
0.458.
Bringing them under. Risky move. Nice color.
There we go.
Is it a nice one?
Probably about 2 pounds, pound and a half.
Aha! No, you don't.
What you got?
Pickerel.
That's a birthday bass.
Right there, boys and girls. That's what we came for.
Let me get you the scale.
Yeah. 5 pounds 4 ounces.
Nice.
Barely hooked that. Nice one. You got
What does it say?
almost 3 pounds.
Nice.
Okay. Fucking pickerel. I'm pickereled out.
Yeah, baby.
Very nice.
It's about 2 pounds 11 ounces. It's 210 5/8, so about 211.
Nice.
Nice one.
Bam. Slaying them. Pop goes the weasel.
Pickerel slayer. What is it? Oh,
It's pretty good.
Lining. Thank you, ma'am.
nice.
312, 313, 313 right there. Bass.
There you go. Picky.
Oh,
Things going nuts.
what's wrong with that fish?
I think it was rabid.
2 pound pickerel.
2 pounds.
Pretty big pickerel.
Final fish of the night.
And there you have it. See you next time on Epic Fishing.